Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning to you all. Good morning, children, all of you. Please stand up for the prayer. I'll share my screen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Emma. Good morning, all of you. I'm just sharing my screen. Please stand up for the prayer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Emma.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, children. Stand up, all of you.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Emma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children. I love you. Good morning. Very good morning to you all, children. All of you take your grammar book. All of you take your grammar book. Page number, I'll tell you once again.
Ma'am.
Page number 21. Grammar book, page number 21. Yes, Emma.
Ma'am, my name is Lihan. Ma'am, I didn't wrote that poem, ma'am, but I wrote Mulan lesson, ma'am.
Poem notes you didn't write.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is there in your WhatsApp only, na? Do you want me to send you once again?
Oh, ma'am, I can.
Yes, later you can write them up. Later you can write. Whenever you get time, you just complete that. Okay, Vihan?
Ma'am, you didn't told G-bit, na, ma'am. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
G-bit.
Ma'am.
Yes, Emma. Hema Priya. Yes, I'll.
Ma'am, in Mulan lesson, you told in a study hours, in one study hour, you told us to write that Mulan's new word meanings, na ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote that fireworks and Mulan, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Shivani, tell me, ma'am.
Answers.
Shivani, tell me. I didn't understand what you are trying to tell me.
Ma'am, in one day you have 2 study hours, na ma'am. On that one period you told that you should write the meanings, and in another period you should read and without tell.
Yes, okay.
We write it, ma'am, but you did not told us. I did not wrote that question and answers, ma'am.
Yes, whenever you get time. Yes, Shivani, I have sent that notes to your WhatsApp group already. Vijay, you please check it once. Whenever you get time, you please complete that. Okay?
Can you send again, ma'am? Mulan lesson I checked already.
Yes, I'll send you once again. Okay? After classes, I'll send you. Okay, ma'am? I'll send Mulan lesson as well as firework also. I'll send you both notes. If you have any incomplete, you please complete them. Okay? Yes, I'm just sharing my screen. All of you open grammar book. Open grammar book, page number 21. She said G-bit, na? G-bit, I'll tell you. First, let me open that. After that, I'll go for gender. I'm just sharing my screen.
Until second one and third one only, no, ma'am.
అడ్రస్ నీట్ గా రాసి పంపించు అంతే.
Be muted. Be muted, all of you children.
అంటే తప్పులు పోకుండా
Be muted.
లేదన్నా, తప్పులు పోకుండా దీంట్లో ఫోన్ నెంబర్ కూడా పెట్టినా చూడు అత్తది. ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కదా బాగా.
కౌశిక్ బాబు అన్మ్యూట్.
Ma'am, by mistake, ma'am.
But ma'am, you
Yes, okay,
told
no
that
problem.
you gave me to. It is telling that the host is like you to unmute, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Ivani, I can hear you. I didn't do anything. Here. This bit, Hemapriya, you're asking this bit only, Nama, G bit. See once.
Yes, ma'am.
See here. Fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns given in the box. Here, in this box, they have given you abstract nouns, children. And under that, they have given us some sentences also. What we have to do is, we have to read these sentences, and after reading that, which is the right abstract noun here we have to write. And which suits better, we have to find from the list and we have to fill the blank, children. See the first one. There was great dash when the team lost the match. It is
Disappointment.
yes, disappointment. Like that you have to find out, yes, like that you have to find out the right abstract noun and you have to fill the blank, children. Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Yes?
ma'am, I wrote this one, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Maybe Hemapriya she didn't.
That one I wrote.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, ma. Okay, no problem. I told that day only. That means Tuesday only. Finish this bit also. Maybe she didn't listen. Maybe. Okay, no problem. Now you can do Hemapriya. Okay, ma. After class, you just finish that. If you didn't get, you please ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I had a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
9-8 అయిపోయింది.
Ma'am, in
Yes,
here,
tell me.
add suitable suffix to change these words to abstract nouns, ma'am.
Huh? Hemapriya, tell me.
Ma'am, F bit, add suitable suffix to change these words to abstract nouns. That one, ma'am.
That time
Ma'am,
G
ninth
bit.
one is, ma'am, ninth one is cruel, na, ma'am.
Cruel. I'll come. I'll tell you. I have sent the answers to your WhatsApp group, Hemapriya. You check once. If you get doubt, you can check there. Okay?
Ma'am, cruelism is correct only, ma'am, for cruel.
Yes, which bit?
Ma'am,
Verb or
for a
verb?
cruel
Where is
answer is
that?
provided.
Ma'am, F bit, ma'am.
Cruelty. Cruelty. Yes, where is cruel? I didn't see cruel.
Ma'am,
For relationship, ma'am.
Abstract. Huh?
For relationship, ma'am.
Relationship. Where is cruel?
Ma'am, in page number 20, ma'am.
In page number 20.
Ma'am, I wrote my own, ma'am.
Okay, here I can see. Yes, cruel. Cruelty. You can write.
Ma'am, cruelism is also correct only, ma'am.
Yes, cruelism. Better you write cruelty.
G bit first one తెలియట్లే, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I think you are clear. Shall I move to the next one?
For
Yes, ma'am.
neighbors, ma'am, I don't know for.
Yes, ma'am.
For neighbor. I'll show you all those answers once again, ma'am. Yes, where is my WhatsApp?
I'm user, ma'am.
One second, Emma. I have downloaded also. It didn't come to my screen. I'm just seeing once again. Yes,
I'm clicked it.
it came 2 times. Here it is there. I didn't see that. Okay, no problem. I'll just share my screen. Yes, this is our present topic, children. Listen to me carefully. See here. See here. Gender. Gender means we'll be having 3 kinds of genders, children. Masculine, feminine,
Ma'am, I
and
know my
neuter gender.
masculine, feminine,
Yes, masculine,
common
feminine,
gender.
and neuter gender. Neuter gender, common gender or neuter gender. And see here, masculine means all the males and come under masculine. That means boys, men, all those come under masculine, children. Coming to feminine gender, feminine means girls, women, they come under, yes, girls, women, they come under feminine gender. And another one is neuter gender or common gender. That is for they're not we can't tell them. If I take book and book is not a girl, book is not a boy, so it is a common gender or neuter gender will take. And this is how, yes, this is how we have to do the warm up exercise, children. First we should know what are genders and feminine means what, masculine means what, common means what. We have to learn, children. I think you are clear. I'll just tell you once more and we'll do this bit so that it will be clear for you. And first thing is gender means gender. Under gender we're having 3 types. 3 types. Quality of people is gender and we are having 3 types of genders. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and sometimes we'll say neuter gender also. And masculine gender means all the male or boy will say, no, those will come under masculine gender. Come to feminine gender. Feminine gender means only women and girls, they'll come under feminine gender. Next one is common gender. Common gender means if it is not masculine, if it is not feminine, sometimes we'll be getting doubt. If I take pen or flower or something, some things, they won't come under masculine, they won't come under feminine. Then we have to understand them as common gender. I think you are clear, children. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we'll do this. Here one box they have given masculine gender, feminine gender, and common gender boxes they have given. What we have to do is we have to read all these sentences and in different color highlighted. They highlighted some words, no, children, and those words will come under masculine or feminine or common gender. We have to find out. Okay. Let me take my text and we'll start.
Ma'am, gentleman is commander, masculine gender, ma'am.
Yes, Amma. And first one, I'll just read the sentences. You please write along with me, ma. I also will write along with you. I'll type here. You please write along with me. Take your pencils, all of you children.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your pencils. Here, first sentence I'll read first. Later we'll find out which gender is that. The gentleman standing near the table is my father. He is a teacher. The lady beside him is my mother. Both of them are teachers. And see the first one. Gentleman. They have highlighted gentleman. Where we have to write gentleman,
Teacher
masculine,
also.
feminine. or common
Common
gender?
gender.
Gentleman.
Gentleman is
Gentleman is masculine.
Masculine gender.
Now, what you do is take your pencil and write here masculine. Under masculine, you just write here gentleman.
in third one. Teacher is there, na ma'am. In that he is a teacher means it will be masculine.
Yes, teacher will come under
Common man.
Masculine.
yes.
Feminine.
But he is a
Common gender, ma'am.
there, na ma'am. He
Yes,
is a
Ayan
teacher.
is correct.
He is a
Common
masculine.
gender.
Shivani, 1 second. Gentleman come under masculine and let me do father. Where is father? Where we have to write? Where is father means I'm not asking where your father is. I'm asking where we have to write this father word.
Masculine man.
Masculine. Father.
I'm teacher. We should write common gender.
Yes, teacher. Teacher means if here they are saying my father is a teacher, so that we can understand that here teacher is a man. If they say directly teacher, if I say teacher, only word teacher, we can't understand whether they are woman or man. Okay, we need to understand. So
teacher, it is there, na ma'am.
he is a teacher. Yes, sir. Yes, Shivani. He is a teacher. They have given, so that you are saying he is a man. Teacher is a man. If I say directly teacher, take only word teacher. If I say teacher, which now? Yes. If I say teacher, which gender? If I ask, how can you find it out?
Common gender, ma'am.
So we have to write. Sorry, we have to write under common gender. Sorry, I am writing common for here. I just forgot. Teacher. Teacher. Yes. Go to the next line, children. I have a brother and a sister. We are going to a fancy dress party this evening. My brother is dressed like a prince. My sister is going as a princess. I'm going
brother
as
is a feminine gender,
soldier. Yes. Brother is
Beside him is
Brother
my
is?
mother. That also is there.
Feminine.
Brother
Feminine
is
gender.
feminine. Brother is feminine. Ayan, where are you? Are you
Masculine, ma'am.
masculine gender? Yes. Brother.
Ma'am, in the first one, the lady beside him is my mother. That one is also there, na ma'am.
Yes.
Didn't write that,
Yes, Amma. Yes, we have to write mother also. Yes, here mother will come under
Feminine.
mother.
Feminine gender.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am, lady also.
And here
mother also.
Ma'am, ladies also.
lady, where is lady? They just highlighted mother only, no. Mother only they have highlighted. Only the words which, yes, only the words which are highlighted.
To write, ma'am.
Highlighted words only we have to write. So here, teachers also we have to write here common gender.
Okay.
Teachers.
Mother, we should write in
Yes.
mother.
Next, here,
Gender.
brother.
Ma'am, brother, I wrote, ma'am.
Brother, masculine gender.
Masculine, ma'am. R-O-T-H-E-R, brother.
Yes, brother, masculine gender. And here, sister.
Feminine
gender.
Feminine gender.
Sister. Yes, sister. Next, here, come to next one. My brother is dressed like a prince. Prince is
Masculine, ma'am.
Ma'am, prince, feminine gender.
Prince is feminine gender, masculine gender.
Masculine
gender,
ma'am.
Yes, prince, masculine gender. Here, princess.
Ma'am, feminine.
Yes, princess, feminine gender. And go to the next one. And I'm going as a soldier. Who is soldier?
Common gender.
Soldier.
Common gender.
Yes. Soldier, common gender. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, third one, ma'am.
See the third one. Many other boys and girls are at the fancy dress party. One second.
Boys is masculine, ma'am.
Boys is masculine.
Boys.
Here,
Girls is feminine.
Girls are feminine gender.
girls. And see, there is a king, a queen.
Common gender king.
King common gender. Who said common gender?
Masculine, ma'am. Masculine.
Masculine gender.
Yes, king is masculine gender.
Ma'am, queen is
Queen?
feminine gender. Ma'am, queen is feminine gender.
Queen is feminine.
Yes. And king, a queen. And
Ma'am, friends
some
is common
friends.
gender.
Friends. Friends is.
Common gender.
Yes,
Friends is
friends
common
is
gender, ma'am.
common gender. Friends.
Ma'am, animals is also common gender.
Animals is also common gender.
Animals also common gender. Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, no. Yes. Some are writing maybe. I'll just show it 1 minute and I'll just close.
Finish, ma'am, you can.
Yes. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm writing
Yes. One second. Some are writing.
Only so many are there, ma'am. Masculine gender only so many are there. ma'am.
Yes, many are there in masculine. Only one is more, one is extra.
Finish, ma'am.
Shall I? Ayan, don't sing. Shall I move to the next bit, children? Shall I move to the next?
Work is done.
Work is done.
Yes, Amma.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Yes, Amma, very good.
Work is done, ma'am.
Yes, I'm just moving to the next one. Here, some box they have given. Here, children, if you have any incomplete, I'll send you answers to your WhatsApp group. There you can write. Okay? Many of you completed, no? Why should waste our time?
Ma'am, can you send
Yes, I'll read, Amma. I'll read, listen to me. Yes,
Ma'am,
Amma.
can you send nouns lesson also, ma'am? F bit and G bit.
F bit and G bit I have sent already. See, check once. Yes, Priya, check once more. If you didn't get, message me, I'll send you. See, a noun that stands for a male person or animal is masculine. As we learned already, here noun which is for males come under masculine. And here examples: gentleman, father, brother, prince, king, boy, which we have done just now. They have given you as examples, children. See the second one, a noun that stands for a female person or animal. Noun for females come under feminine. Examples which we have done already: lady, mother, sister, princess, queen, girl. All these are examples. And see the common gender. A noun that can be used for either a male or a female. We can use that noun for males and females also. Teacher means sirs will be, ma'ams will be. And for example, student means girls will be, boys will be. Friend means girls friends will be, boys also friends will be. So those kinds of words, those kinds of nouns come under common gender. Teacher, friend, soldier, animal. These are all common gender, children. This is what we have done still now. Okay. Now, what we do is here. Rules for forming a feminine gender we are going to learn. Here, how to form a feminine gender we are going to learn, children. Here they have given you some rules. If you follow those rules, you can make feminine gender. This is what we are learning now. See here, for some words we add ESS. For prince, see this one, prince is the masculine. If we add ESS, it will become princess. Prince is the masculine, whereas princess is the feminine. Are you clear, children? They are telling you, if you add ESS, if you add the suffix, we'll say, this is if we add anything at the...
breaking, mom.
My voice is breaking. You
Mom, it is clear, ma'am.
here, Harsha. Yes, okay. If you get once again. If you get my voice break, you please rejoin, children. You may be having some network issue. You please rejoin. If you rejoin, it will get proper network sometimes. See, I'm just telling you, Aya, listen to me. See here, what I'm trying to tell you is, if we add ESS, if we add this suffix, whatever the words, a set of words, adding at the end of a word is called suffix. That is what we have learned in our previous lesson. So now, if we add this suffix, by adding this suffix ESS, we can make masculines into feminines. Are you clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See what they have done here. Prince is the masculine. Here ESS suffix they have. Yes, ESS suffix they have added and they made princess. Prince is the masculine and princess is the feminine. See the second one, waiter. Waiter means the man who is working in a hotel. They'll be serving the waiters. Those are called waiters. And here, waiter. Waiter is a man and here, waitress is a girl, woman. Waiter is a masculine, waitress is a feminine. What we have added here for waiter, what we have added here? ESS we have added, and one more thing also we have done, children. Kaushik, listen to me. See here, waiter, TER. See here, WAITER, waiter. But here for waitress, what they are telling? See what spelling they have given. They just removed this E also.
Come between T or ma'am.
Yes, we just removed. Yes, Shivani, let me speak. Here, they just removed this E and they have added ESS at the end. Sometimes don't forget, children, be careful with spelling. While making adjectives, verbs, common nouns as abstract nouns also, we face the same problem. Spelling, sometimes it will be different spelling. When you come to the next word, it will be different spelling. See that and write the spelling, children. Be careful. Here also, we remove E and we add ESS. Waitress. Waiter is a masculine. Waitress is a feminine. Here, God. Here, goddess. God is? What is God? Masculine. Goddess? Goddess?
Feminine.
Feminine. Goddess? Feminine. The second one. First rule we have done. What is that rule? By adding a suffix ESS, we can make masculines into feminines. We can change masculines as feminines by adding a suffix ESS. See the second one. The feminine gender of many nouns is formed differently. Sometimes if we add like this, that will become a feminine gender very easy. But sometimes we have to learn the words. No other rule at all for this. Here, man, woman, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, headmaster, headmistress, hero, heroine. Here, landlord, landlady, bridegroom, bride, nephew, niece. These are, we can't change them spelling, we can't add anything, we can't change their spelling. They are completely different words. They are completely different words. Sir is different word, madam is different word. Like that, sometimes masculine and feminine words completely differ one to another. They are completely different from one another. Masculine word is different, whereas feminine word is different. So, if you want to be familiar with all these masculine words and feminine words, what you have to do is, you have to learn them. No other go. No other route for this. You have to learn. Yes, Amma Hemapriya.
Ma'am,
Landlord. Landlord. Lord means, we'll say landlord, like a landlord, he's sitting and eating like that. Some our parents and not like that. Not like that. Landlord means the person who is having many lands. Actual meaning is that. But sometimes when our elders got angry, they'll be scolding like that. Okay. Actual meaning is landlord means the person who is having many lands. Rich person it means.
Ma'am, bridegroom means what, ma'am?
Yes. Here, bridegroom means the boy who is going to get married. Pelli koduku will say. Who is that man? Yes.
Right.
Yes. The man is called bridegroom. Girl is called bride. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Girl is bride. Bridegroom is boy. Yes. See the second one, children. Animals and some birds can also be divided into masculine and feminine also. For animals and birds also, we are having sometimes, rarely we'll be having children, and here you'll get so much confusion. And for animals and birds, we get so much.
More hen and cock only, ma'am.
Yes, mostly what happens is, because we don't use animals names and birds name in our day-to-day life regularly. Frequently we don't use them. So we'll get a little bit confusion, but no problem. If you keep on using them, you get practice and it will be very easy for you children. Here, see the masculines and feminines also. Naturally, we use masculines only more. Feminines, like for every tiger, we use tiger only. We never say tigress. Actual word is tigress, but we never use mostly. But here onwards, you just try to use children.
The female
Here,
is tigeress, ma'am.
yes, tigress is the female one. Here, tiger is the masculine and tigress is the feminine. Here, bull is the masculine, cow is the feminine. This is we know. Here, lion is the masculine. Here, lioness is the feminine. For all the lions, yes, for all the lions, lioness means female one, female one.
Female.
Female lion. Female lion will say. Lioness means female lion.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is VIXEN, ma'am?
Vixen means, we'll say fox, no? Female fox is vixen. Female fox. All these words you have to learn, children. Animals and birds, males and females. And here, these masculine and feminines, these masculine and feminines, you have to learn, children. You have to learn. Then only it will be easy for you to write. And see, come to the next bit. Come to the next bit, children. Use the words. Yes, ma'am.
Given in the box.
Ox is also
She-
there, na, ma'am. Sometimes we thought as the ox is the masculine and the cow is the feminine.
Yes, that is what? Ox is the masculine, cow is the feminine. You are correct only.
Ma'am, for fox, cow is the feminine. She's telling, ma'am.
For fox,
Yes, ma'am.
Ox, ma'am. Ox.
no, yes,
Ox.
ox. Ox, she is saying, Himapriya. Ox, she is saying. Ox is masculine.
For bull, what, ma'am?
Bull or ox,
Cow,
both are
ma'am.
same. Both are same. Both are same almost. Yes.
Yes.
City. Yes. Here we get these kinds of words because of languages. We are adopting American English as well as British English also. Sometimes here two words for the same animal. Sometimes we'll be having two words. For example, boy means boys. In the same way, we'll say lad also. L-A-D, lad also, boy only. Like that, for one person or one thing, we'll be having sometimes two names.
Like in Telugu, the ox will call as the yaddu, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. See here, what we have to do is, here they have given you some words in this box. They have given you some words in this box. You have to read this and under masculine what will come, under feminine gender what will come. You have to find out and you have to write. Okay.
Ma'am, for feminine only one will come, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
For whom it is
No,
breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is
Yes, children, sometimes what happens if you don't have a proper network also, you get my voice break. So you please rejoin if you have anything. Here, children, can you read this and can you do after class?
Ma'am, one you tell, ma'am. We will
Yes,
do.
one I'll tell you. First one I'll tell you. First one or two I'll tell you. Later you can write.
Ma'am. Ma'am, peacock, ma'am.
Yes, peacock. Peacock is
Feminine gender, ma'am.
Peacock is feminine gender. Here, goose. What is goose, children? What is goose?
Ma'am, it is also duck.
It is a masculine of the duck, ma'am. Duck is a feminine and the goose is a masculine.
Feminine, ma'am.
Yes. See here.
Separate animal, ma'am.
Here, what you do is you just read all these words and just know the meanings. If you don't know any meaning, you please ask me. Otherwise, you can check in the Google also. Like that, you have to know.
What, ma'am?
Google means. Yes, ma'am.
What is meaning of
Ma'am, your
what is dog?
Yeah, be muted, all of you children. If you are muted, you can listen to me properly. Can you do this? Otherwise, do you want me to do? We are
Ma'am,
having
we
so
will do
many
yourself,
exercises.
ma'am. Ma'am, you.
Time is running out. Time is running out, Mo.
Ma'am, that is homework, ma'am.
Yes, you just do. And if you didn't get, I'll tell you. Okay. Come to the next bit, children. Come to the next bit. Change the gender of the highlighted nouns. Make other necessary changes. That means sometimes his. If we get his masculine, we have to write his here. Like that, we have to write. See, they are asking you make the changes here. Landlady is there. Landlady is masculine or feminine? Lady.
Masculine.
Lady. Feminine. We have to change the gender of this. We have to change the gender of this. They have done already. See, our landlord. Yes, our landlord lives with his 2 dogs who keeps here. Her is there because here feminine. So they have written here her, but here it is masculine. So we have to use here him.
Masculine, ma'am. That's why him needs.
Yes, that's why we have to use here him. Company. Remaining company is company. Next one I'll do.
Yes.
See this one.
My brother.
My brother. Instead of brother, what we have to
My
write?
sister, ma'am. My sister.
Yes, my sister.
My
Lives
sister lives in
lives Yes, Nongpo. This is